Hi, my name is Nettie Owens. I'm the creator of Sapari Solutions and the Momentum Accountability Program, and this is your productivity hack of the week. I'd like you to think about your time and your schedule and everything that is and is not getting done as the canary in the coal mine. Usually, if there's a problem with your schedule and you're feeling overwhelmed, it's a symptom of something deeper going on. It's not just that you're having trouble with your time, but it's probably likely that you're not making decisions in general about the kind of work that you want to be doing, or ensuring that you're focusing on the most important tasks that are really going to move your work forward. I hate to be the bearer of bad news on this one, but this is your reality check. Is your schedule the canary in the coal mine of something else that's going on that you're just not confronting? What do you think that might be that you should be looking at? That you might be ignoring at this moment? So that's my big question for you, and addressing that issue is going to help your schedule more than just replacing the bird in the cage. All right, that's your tip of the week, and I look forward to coming to you next week with more tips. Just as a reminder, if you'd like to learn ways to rock your schedule and skyrocket your business, then I hope you'll join me for the webinar this coming week. You can register at webinar.momentumaccountability.com. I'll see you later. Bye.